Russia unveils plans for multifunctional stealth tactical aircraft. India's interest in the aircraft reflects its modernization plans and long-standing ties with Russia. The aircraft's capabilities could have significant implications for India's air power and strategic posture. India's army unveiled a game-changing loitering munition technology, utilizing swarms of drones for precision strikes. The system's advanced sensors and coordinated attacks enhance firepower, minimize collateral damage, and give a decisive edge on the battlefield. Yemen's Houthi rebels have seized an Indian-flagged ship in the Red Sea, taking 25 crew members hostage. The Houthis claim the ship is linked to Israel and have threatened to continue targeting vessels connected to Israel in international waters until Israel's offensive against Gaza's Hamas rulers ends. India has approved an export contract worth $155.5 million United States dollars to supply Armenia with MArG 155mm wheeled self-propelled howitzers. The deal marks a significant step in India's defense exports and strengthens the India-Armenia defense partnership. ISRO's ambitious Lunar Sample Return Mission, LSRM, aims to collect lunar soil samples in 2028. The mission will utilize a sophisticated spacecraft consisting of 4 modules and is expected to bring back approximately 50 to 100 grams of lunar soil for scientific analysis. The DRDO's TEDBF fighter jet program will incorporate manned-unmanned teaming capabilities, allowing for the seamless integration of unmanned aerial vehicles with manned aircraft. This collaboration enhances accuracy, operational flexibility, and situational awareness, making it a key component of modern military aviation. DRDO has acquired the first AESA-based primary radar for its AEW&C Mk2 program. This advanced radar system will be integrated into 6 Airbus A321 aircraft, transforming them into airborne surveillance platforms. The success of this program positions India as a leader in advanced airborne surveillance systems. Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders Limited (MDL) to submit price bid for 3 Kalvari-class submarines with indigenous AIP system. Increased indigenization and replacement of obsolete systems called for. Estimated cost per submarine is $1.2 billion. MDL expects to secure contract and commence work in 2025. Indian defense training solutions provider Zen Technologies has secured a significant export order worth 42 crore rupees for state-of-the-art defense simulators. This achievement reinforces the company's position as a trusted global provider of cutting-edge defense training solutions. Iran unveils Fata-2, an improved hypersonic glide vehicle, HGV missile. This makes Iran the 4th country to possess hypersonic missile technology. Iran claims Fata-2 can travel at Mach 15 with a range of 2,000 kilometers. Military expert Abhijit Iyer Mitra is skeptical of Iran's claims, citing a history of exaggerated weapons development announcements. He questions Iran's ability to sustain hypersonic speed with Fata-2.